Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Twinchie Tuesday hosted by Jenn at Sassy Southern NC Girl. So I hope everybody is doing great. Be sure and check out Jenn's channel and be sure and check out the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday to see what everyone else has made. So without further ado, let's get started. So I was feeling kind of Tim Holtzy today, so I am going to start off with rounding the corners on my Twinchies. These are 2x2 cards, and I do like the look of the rounded corners. And I've got these mini Tim Holtz people, and I still had to look hard to find one that would fit on a 2x2 without being too long. But I did. And I think it'll be cute. And I hope everybody is doing good. I hope your weekend was great with the celebrations, especially those in the United States. I hope you had a fun holiday. All right. Now, I've already inked up everything else. So I just want to hit this. I couldn't get up because I still had to cut the corners. Around the corners, I should say. These are really a lot of fun to make, and there's so many designs and ways of decorating it. So I'm going to do this. Now I'm using some of this drywall tape, and I've just cut some pieces off. Let's see how I want to lay these out. Make sure I'm not upside down. Thinking something along these lines. And just a little bit of a something kind of like that. We have got this one. I want him sitting on, and I'm going to go ahead and glue him down. Just so I don't have to worry so much. It becomes one piece instead of two. Okay, let me check out everything because I want to make sure I have everything lined up the way I want it. The same with this lady. I want to glue her down. This one I will put on this side. Okay. And this one will have, I think I want her on this side. And I think him I'll move to this side. Maybe something like that. Her. Okay, now this is drywall tape, so it has a backing. If I can get it unstuck. This down. Like I said, I've already inked these. I think these are so cute. I don't use them very often. And I'm going to put this one down. I like mixing up my shapes as well. So that's my first one. Now let's see. Get this backing off. You can save these and use them as well. I've got a whole roll of it. I don't know that I'm going to do that. Trying to clean up. Okay, so we're going to get him over. Yeah, we didn't have very big plans. I did grill for the 4th, but both my husband and youngest son had to work. So my oldest son went to his girlfriend. They went to see the George Washington movie with her parents, and they went and watched the fireworks at the Columbus Air Force Base. Okay, so we've got that one. And now let's take the back off of this one. Get that all the way down. She just barely fits. And let's see. I don't know what I did with my tweezers. I had them the other day when I was working with those numbers. And even with my desk relatively clean, comparatively clean the way it usually is, I don't know what I've done with them. Everything disappears. And last but not least, get this down. Might be good to get it right side up. I can't see. I hope the others are right side up. Nope, that one's upside down, but you can't hardly tell. I am about going blind. right. And I believe I will add a few splatters just to finish it off. Water going. Oops. And I may get that on the edge because I like the look of it. Should have thought about it before I splattered. But that's generally not how I roll. I do love this gold. I think it is that one. Oh, it starts with a G. I can't think of the name. But it is more opaque than your other watercolors. And there we have it. My 4 Twinchies. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Jenn's channel, a Sassy Southern NC Girl, and be sure and check out the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday to see what everyone else has made. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.